What's up, guys? I'm at a rental of mine in Fort Pierce, Florida, and we're in the process of remodeling this house. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, so we're inside the house, and this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house in Fort Pierce, Florida. It's not a big house, as you can see by the size of the living room, and I'll go ahead and do a little tour for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So this is 1 bedroom over here, and this is the other bedroom, and with the tub that's been pulled out. And that's the 3rd bedroom, and this is the brand new tub that just went in, and this is going to be completely redone, right? So this house, we're going to be using the gray theme, so we're going to have gray laminate flooring with gray tile. We're going to have stainless steel ceiling fans, and then in the kitchen we've got the white cabinets. We're going to have light gray paint. We've got the gray tile. And then all of the appliances are going to be stainless steel, and then we're going to finish it off with a gray and white and silver backsplash. It should look pretty good at the end, and what I'll do is I will do another video for you guys in a few weeks showing you the progress so that you can see from this video to the next one what a rehab looks like. Alright, so if you like this video, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.